64 GB internal memory, 4 GB RAM, 3000 milliampere battery, Type-C connector with fast charging. Yes, there's the brand new Huawei Nova 3E smartphone. Welcome to the show, guys. In March 2018, Huawei launched a new smartphone. In the Middle East, the Nova 3E, also known as the Huawei P20 Lite in other parts of the world. So, without further delay, let's get straight to the unboxing. So, this is the Huawei Nova 3E retail pack. It's a simple white box with Huawei branding on the front, top and the sides as well. The bottom side has the barcode and IMEI information. It also says phone color, ROM and RAM. On the back side it's fairly plain, no specification. So without further ado, let's open him up. I have got a seal pack, so I need a knife. Let's cut him open. Wow, the beauty. We got the device itself here. We'll come back to later. First, let's see what's inside the box. My IMEI sticker here, SIM ejector tool, quick start guide that I never use, Huawei quick charge power adapter, USB Type-C reversible charge and sync cable, and 3.5mm Huawei headphones. That's it. So that's all what you get with the phone. Let's take a look at the front, back and side of the phone. On the front side, it's just the amazing 5.84-inch Full HD plus full view display. The 16 megapixel front facing camera with face scanner, the speaker phone grill and the proximity sensor. On the top side there is the microphone. On the left side there is a SIM card slot. Let's take a look inside. It's a hybrid card slot. You can use one SIM card, one memory card or two SIM cards at the same time. On the right side there is the volume rocker and the power button. On the bottom side there is the 3.5mm audio jack, Type-C connector, microphone and loudspeaker. On the back side there is the fingerprint sensor, 16 plus 2 megapixel dual lens camera and the flashlight. Oh, I love this part. Let's do the startup in a quick time lapse. See you in the home screen. The first thing you notice when you hold the Nova 3E is the amazing display. 5.84 inch maxed out to the edge. Huawei claims it as the full view display. The notes at the top at first seems pointless, but it really helps to reduce the bezels and give you an immersive viewing experience. However, if you don't like the notes, you can turn it off in settings. Settings, display, notes, hide notes. Now it is a normal phone. The diamond cut metal frame with its 2.5D double-sided curved glass body is very slick, easy to grip and use with one hand. The phone weighs only 149 grams, which is very light compared to the competition. Nova 3E comes with Android 8.0 together with Huawei's custom EMUI 8.0 operating system that gives you a very smooth and uninterrupted using experience. Nova 3E has Huawei Kirin 659 processor with 4GB inbuilt RAM that give you a flawless multitasking experience as well. The face unlock is one of the fastest in the market. It is very easy to set up and unlock. Let's have a look. Settings, security and privacy, face unlock, enter the password. Continue. Wow, that was fast. See, I told you. Speaking of the Nova 3E camera, it has one of the most advanced cameras in the market. It has a ton of functions that need a separate review. Let's keep it short in this video. The dual lens camera has quick and sharp focusing. As you can see, the image captured is very crisp and clear. The rear camera has a top resolution of 46085 by 3456 pixels. It also records video at Full HD 1080p at 30 frames per second. It has a 3000 mAh battery with fast charge 2.0. It can reach up to 40% in just 30 minutes. Overall, the Huawei Nova 3E is a very user-friendly smartphone at a reasonable price. Hope you all enjoyed our unboxing and review of the brand new Nova 3E. Please like, share and comment down your thoughts. Please let us know what to review next. So until next time, this is DS Shimur. Keep chilling. Bye.